Hanging out with Sunny Rooster and the sister wives. The hubby. Hubby likes the little chicks. I think they like him too. Sunny, of course, Penny's hanging around Sunny. She's crushing on you, baby. Bunny, she flew up on the door again. Her's going to be a flyer. She's going to like it up high, that girl is. Bunny, you're beautiful. She's beautiful. Zoom in on her. She's trying to grow hair around her nose. Yes, you are. Or either she scraped it up in there. We're going to move the chicken coop. So me and my hubby, we scooted the chicken coop back. We got to clean up all this mess. He went to get a rake and some gloves for us. It's a little bit inside I've got to get out. There's going to be no more bedding in the bottom. Now that the chicks are older, they can peck the grass. And then I'll put some clean in here too. Hey, sister wives, you all are a lot of trouble. They have a mess. It's part of the farm life, isn't it, girls? Gosh, they love Sunny. We bring us chairs with us. We stay over here for hours sometimes. Just letting them run around and do this and that, don't we, little bit? Oh, that's Lucy. No, that's Lucy. I can't tell Lucy and Little Bit apart hardly anymore. They love stealing Sunny's food. That's your wife, Sunny. You're supposed to share with them. He's not liking it. You want a cock-a-doodle for all your fans, Mr. Rooster? Hmm? Mr. Rooster? What in the world are they doing? Girls, he's not going to put up with this now. He's not going to put up with your antics. Are you, Sunny? Now, he's in charge of this relationship. Right, Sunny? Sunny, those are some feisty little women there. Goodness gracious. What in the world's going on? Yeah, girls, we're going to clean it out. We're going to clean up all this mess. What I like about that chicken coop, it's real easy just to pull to another spot so they can have fresh grass to pick. I made a mistake when I first set them up in here by putting too much bedding there. But that's okay because it has to be moved ever so often anyways for fresh grass. So, may I open the door for you, Penny? I like it because it's got that little door too. And so far, the mealworms are working to get them back in the coop. When I'm ready to go home, I just put some mealworms in there. When one of them starts eating them, the rest start coming. So cute. So cute. Aren't they, Sunny? Aren't they cute? Uh-oh, here comes the man with the work stuff. Time to get busy, isn't it, Sunny? Yeah, Flappy's wings. He's the boss here, Mark. Don't forget it. He's not putting up with your antics either. That's all cleaned up now, girls. What you think? Everybody wants to know about Mr. CC. There he is. He's, I'm going to. Where's their water dish? Oh, okay. I'll get it.
Sunny boy. Now where am I gonna move him to?
No, we need to move Sunny now.
Where am I gonna move him to?
No, I want to show everybody his beautiful colors. Look at that beautiful color, yellow and orange on his back. Yeah, he's handsome. He's getting stressed. It's okay, baby.
Then you'll move this trampoline too, maybe. You can. It ain't that
Penny's always hanging out with Sunny, aren't you, girl? Aren't you, Penny?
feisty little thing.
What you think, baby? You gonna cock-a-doodle? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
He can't talk to that.
So somebody let my rooster out.
Get them mealworms.
Sunny. So we got him back in there. Somebody better be glad.
We'll just leave him right there. It's on new grass.
Scared me to death.
I'm out there
The little
feeding him.
chick's out.
It's still early too.
Yeah, I just put him back up because he was out and I was scared. This is part of the chicken life, Sonny. Sonny did good, though. When he got out, he just walked around a little bit, and he walked right back into his cage. So that's what I want him to do. You're such a good boy, baby. Such a good boy. Let the sister wives back out. And he didn't even try to bother the chicks, did he?
No. He knows his deal now. He knows he's here to look over.
Yes, that's Big Papa. My husband, like a dummy, picked this up, and Sonny slipped out the bottom. Before, when we've moved it, we've just slid it. But he was trying to do what was best for easiest for Sonny. If Sonny had stayed in the box, but oh well. All that matters is he's back in, he's safe. Got to walk around just a bit. I'm just scared he'll take off.
He may not be able to fly no more.
I know it.